We are the Registration and Records Office. Here in the Registration and Records Office, we handle student registration all the way to graduation checkout when you finish your degree. Some other services that we offer are student record maintenance, transcript ordering, and veteran benefits certification. Our office provides many services to students. Some of these services include basic registration into courses, schedule changes. We also create student tutorials that help students navigate through the student information system. We also help with classroom reservations for student organizations. The Registration Records Office is located on the south end of campus in Bowman Hall, the Clock Tower building, room 109. We have a helpful, welcoming staff. We look forward to seeing you soon here at UW-Stout.